the best way to say it is they're almost kind of like they can also be an intercessor between you and God, so they can heal you with herbs and native treatments and things like that. And they're also kind of like a spiritual connection, just a traditional, like a traditional doctor, like someone who has a connection to God, Chukwu, and they so with both physical remedies and also spiritual remedies, right? So that's what dibia is. So you put those words together, you put all those root words together, chika dibia. God is greater than the native doctor. God is greater than the herbalist, right? Basically, it's almost kind of like a reminder to us that Chukwu, the God that we serve, is greater than any man or any priest or any of his, the people who do his work. So just to be reminded that